Hi, I'm going to show you in this short video tutorial some easy ways to get started with the superb open broadcaster software to create the kind of lesson tutorials or lesson simulation tutorials we probably want to create as Let's Think tutors. Open broadcaster software has many features, but we're just going to focus on what I think are the key ideas, which are scenes, sources, and how we can use hotkeys to start, stop, pause, and unpause recording. The opening scene of this video was full video, and this is a screenshot of, you can see on the left-hand side that we have a start video, and then we have Let's Think slides. That's where we are now. And also a demonstration scene. Scenes obviously have to have sources, and so in this one we have a video source and an audio source, and also this header that's in there. So sources can be static as well as multimedia. This is the second scene, which is small video and slides. And moving between them, I will show you in a minute how we use what's called hotkeys. And a third kind of scene that would be commonly used by us, it could be board work, or in this case it's board work combined with the uphill and down dale lesson. And I'm just going to stick with those three. So far we have full video, often used as an entrance or an exit. And then a full video here that's used. I've moved the camera while I've paused to this scene. And these are common hotkeys that I use. This is the settings. You go to settings and click, and then go to the hotkeys. I use these because they're at the top of the keyboard and you're not likely to use them by mistake. So we have it. I've chosen, but you can choose whatever is convenient for you. F1 to start and F2 to stop. I've given that a red flag in the sense of as soon as you stop it, it effectively creates a full video. Where if you pause and unpause, you can continue, and at the end you only have one video. This cuts out the need for any kind of video editing and cutting. This is something that I found a little bit annoying. At first I was always using Zoom with slideshows, and there was always some strange beginnings and endings. And to switch between scenes, we have these, I use the first scene, number 1 key, the second scene, number 2, and number 3, and so on, depending on how many scenes you've got. But I rarely use more than 3 or 4 scenes. So in summary, you can see that you have to design the scenes that you want with the sources. It's nearly always going to be a video, audio, and maybe slides, maybe some kind of background logos. And then you set up your hotkeys, and the pause and unpause is very useful because you can pause and then switch your scenes with your short keys, move your camera. For instance, I have a USB camera, and I can turn it and point towards the demonstration board. And effectively, you then have a recording.